Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. See guys, yesterday I had given a video on some stocks which you can trade, the 5 stocks which you can trade, and that if you had followed that stocks, you would have been in profits today. First, before entering to Bank Nifty and Nifty, let's have a small review on that stocks, those 5 stocks. Here it have, and from today's video I'm gonna give some potential stocks for every day. Every day I'm going to give some potential stocks that you can trade with a target and stop loss. Okay, that's my responsibility to give some stocks. It's about to give the breakouts and about to give the opportunities for buying or selling. Before going into that, let's have some review on these 5 stocks. See guys, first of all, HCL Tech, and I had given, see, date also you can see 26th. Okay, before the breakout only I had given, and I already told you wait for the breakout here, and if you got a breakout you can take the position, and if you had a take, if you take the position here, you would have been in the profits. I already told this is the top stop loss, and now you can change the stop loss to around 700 levels because it is already in the range. Okay, it is already in the retracement. Okay, already in the retracement, and we can expect a bullish move, and we are decreasing the risk here. Okay, so that if you lose also, you will lose some minimum losses. You will be in the minimum losses. You can put around 700, exactly 700 levels, like somewhere around this. Okay, and wait for the target. Hope it will reach our target, and around 721, around 720 there is a support resistance level, and if it breaks, and we definitely will reach around 728 levels. Okay, and Axis Bank, if you see Axis Bank, I already told you wait for the, it had a break here already, it had a break this trend line. I'm just coloring it as a green. You can see the green color trend line, it had a break, but still wait for this trend line break, and it had a break, and if you took an entry, you would be in the profits and with stop loss of these levels. Now we are trailing our stop loss to 5 points only. Okay, and your risk is only 5 points here because let me check. Okay, 5.65 something. This is a good stop loss level for 451.30, and target is same 22 for 22 points. Okay, why we are taking this much of risk in this Axis Bank? Because if you check out day chart, it is in good bullish. Okay, bullish move. You can see with this support it is going upside momentum, and I am expecting to reach these levels, 480 levels. Okay, now if you go to Sriram Transport, open 15-minute time frame, and you can see here it is, I already told you, you can took up the entry at this level, the stop loss of these levels 679, and it had reached the target without going negative side itself, and this trade becomes a successful. Okay, and HCL Axis Bank is about to get hit as targets, and if you see HDFC, see guys, HDFC got hit our stop loss because it had opened up with a positive and it went to negative side. It's okay, fine. We got some loss of 15 points around, and it's okay. Out of 4 there is a 1 stop loss here. That's good percentage of success. And if you see HDFC Life, I already explained, if it is opened, I mean if it is crossed this trend line, then only take the position, but it is not crossed the trend line. Okay, we are ignoring this trade, means this HDFC Life is out of our trades, and the about out of all 4 trades, 3 out of 4, 3 becomes successful. Means one is got hitted our targets, and remaining are in good profits. Okay, and see guys, I'm just giving the analysis and opportunities. I'm just displaying opportunities for beginners and who is having experience also. Try to take the knowledge and don't take huge quantity. If I am giving these opportunities, don't take huge quantities. That is my request and my suggestion. And go with your risk management. Okay, risk and money management, then only you will become successful in trading. Now let's comes to bank nifty and nifty. Nifty, as I explained in yesterday's video, if market breaks these levels, okay, and if you open 1 minute day chart, and I explained clearly, this is at resistance point. Okay, it has already reached these levels 2 times. Now it can be weak this time. I explained in the previous videos. If you not watched the video, you can check out. And these time it can be weak, somewhat weak, and it had break after the breakout, and this trend line becomes a supporting zone. Okay, and we got a good opportunity, and we are at buying side after this breakout with the support levels of 231160, and we got a breakout here with the stop loss of these levels, and it is in bullish move. And see guys, I'm just drawing a trend line here. Let's see, if you draw it extended lines here by connecting this one and this one. Okay, and one more downside, you can see it is in completely inside the range from last 5 days. Okay, inside the range of bullish move. Okay, I'm still expecting a bullish view on bank nifty until it crosses the trend line. Okay, it can be positive open up and again down like this. It can be inside this. Okay, and if it is breaks downside, it will become, this light trend line becomes a support, and we can go with the selling side after the breakout. Okay, and this is a view for bank nifty. And if you see supporting levels, this is the supporting levels, and this is also a supporting levels if it is open above this. Okay, and if you want to check out the complete levels after market opens, you can join our Telegram, link in the description. I will be posting levels, bank nifty and nifty levels for tomorrow after market opens. Now let's move on to nifty. You see guys, I used to tell once it is had a break these levels. Okay, I had drawn this rectangle previous 2 days back, 1 day back itself, and if it is had a break here, we can expect a good move. And it had a break with a confirmation candle. This is our confirmation candle. And after this we got a good move, and but still I am expecting sideways market in this nifty. As you can see in this 1 day time frame, see it is completely creating red and green day by day, and I'm still expecting a sideways market nifty on nifty view, and bullish move in bank nifty. If you see the nifty levels for tomorrow, let me open 15-minute time frame, and this is supporting levels. Okay, 11520 is the supporting levels. And if you want to know resistance levels and supporting level after open up, you can join in a Telegram, and we'll discuss some stocks for tomorrow, some of the stocks which is good trend and which is best time to buy. Let's have a look on some stocks. See guys, the first stock is ICICI Prudential, and this is 15-minute time frame. You can see there is a rejection here, 1 2 3 4 rejections here, and this time I'm expecting it can be weak, and tomorrow I'm expecting the breakout here, and definitely this is a good stock to buy, and with a stop loss of below these levels. Okay, we can put a stop loss of 441 in the worst case it may reach in the worst case, because you can see it is in completely uptrend. I'm expecting the bullish move only. See, keep the stop loss of 441 and entry would be after the breakout around above 450 levels, and target would be, our target will be around these levels 460. Okay, always I prefer go with from the target I used to keep 2 to 3 points below the target, okay, for safe side. Okay, and this is our target around these levels. You can put, because it is in good bullish moves, you can put somewhere around these levels 460, and you can take up the trade. Okay, follow your risk management and don't take huge positions even though if it is giving good opportunity. And next one, Industrial Bank. Industrial Bank. First of all, let's have a look on 1 day time frame. See, it had given the breakout, and I'm expecting the good bullish move after this now, and you can hold it up for 2 to 3 days to reach our targets. I'm expecting 1:2 ratio from here, around these levels, with a stop loss of around these levels, around 650. Let's have a look on support and resistance zones. I'm expecting to reach, you can hold it up the stock after crossing around to 590 600. After crossing around 600 levels, you can hold it up to our 1:2 ratio, and with a trailing your stop loss to for on buying price. Okay, and as of now this is our RR ratio, and it is the best stock to buy at this time. It had a break. This is 1 day time frame. See guys, remember this is for holdings. Okay, and next stock is ACC, and if you see this guys, ACC Limited, it is in completely range. I'm expecting breakout, downside breakout. Let's have a look on 1 day time frame. Always remember, if you are checking any stock, just revise once in that higher time frame. See, it is completely downside divergence, and I'm expecting downside market only after this huge, let me open 1 day time frame. After this huge consolidation inside the range, I'm expecting the breakout on downside. Wait for the breakout. Once it had a breakout, you can short it with the stop loss of these levels or somewhere around these levels, because it has a consolidation here, but safe side we put the stop loss around 1480. Okay, this is our stop loss. And why we are giving these stop loss? Because always remember, the stop loss we have to keep above the resistance point, okay, or support below the supporting point. After reaching these levels, we can expect a good bullish move. Okay, this is considered as breakout. At the time, at that position, we will keep the stop losses, and I'm expecting a bullish move, sorry, bearish move. And targets will be short term targets is one target and second target. This is our targets. Let's see, hope I am expecting to reach these levels 1124. And the next stock is Pidilite Industry. You can see after it had a break here already today. If you are not observed, I already posted in my Facebook page. If you are not joined in the Facebook page, I will give the link in the description. And these and all charts I had clearly posted in yesterday only. This is a breakout. This is a breakout, and this is our target levels. This is our stop loss. The same analysis I had posted in my Facebook. You can see Facebook group. You can join if you are not joined, and it is in good bullish move. and I'm expecting to reach the target levels is I'm expecting to reach 1569. Okay, this is a trade, this is our trade plan. After reaching 1522, we will trail our stop loss to around these levels. Okay, if it is hit also, we will be in the less losses. Okay, and as of now our target is 1355. Once it is crossed at 1523, we will trail our stop loss. And the next stock is Reliance. See guys, Reliance is in consolidation. You can see 1 day time frame. It is the best stock for long term as well, and we always look for the bullish in the Reliance. You can see after so much after huge bullish move, after so much consolidation, here you can see there is a huge consolidation at this range. Okay, you have to remember one thing, if any stock is consolidating at the range of support or resistance, it can break that side. Okay, you can see it is completely inside this range. Okay, I'm expecting to break bullish view. Once it is had a break, you can took up the position at around somewhere around these levels. Okay, somewhere around these levels you can buy this Reliance with the stop loss of below the levels. This is our stop loss levels, or you can keep below this. Okay, but it's better to go with these levels because in this area there is so much of consolidation. It is not reached from last August 5th. I'm expecting it won't reach below these levels, and this is the best stop loss 2037 and target around 2170. You can hold it up for long term as well, and we follow your RR ratio as per your target. And the last stocks for today is BPCL. If you see guys, BPCL day time frame, this is day time frame. You have to hold it for 2 to 1 week, 2 days or 1 week. See if it breaks outside bullish side, this would be our target, and if it breaks below this trend line, bearish move, this is our target. And it can consolidate, it can be sideways market inside this after the break downside, but still I'm expecting above break. You can buy after the break and with the target of these levels. Okay, this is our target, and plan your trade as per your RR ratio, risk management ratio. Okay, and these are the stocks for today guys. And if you like this analysis, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more. And yesterday one guy had pinged it in the comment, stock about SBI in. See guys, SBI is also good, it is in good bullish view. You can see it had a break at this level. You can see it is a breakout, but still wait for tomorrow open up. If it is open bullish, if it is creating a bullish candle, you can go with the buying side with the target levels of around 230. Okay, 230 is our target, and stop loss will be around these levels. Why I am taking this much very less stop losses? You can see this is a resistance point and this is a resistance point. I am taking below this resistance point. Okay, this would be our stop loss. Okay, this is safest stop loss. I am expecting it won't reach these stop losses after crossing these levels. Okay, and this is analysis on SBI, and I am at bullish view on SBI. I took this as a target with the previous support and resistance levels. Okay, and hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this video. Thanks for watching.